Hello people, I am heading on to my almost last week of school. For you guys who don't know, I did enroll into a wax class in a esthetician school here in the DMV area. It's in Northern Virginia, and I was just looking for something to add to the current business that I already own. I own a beauty business as far as doing makeup and teeth whitening. I am a licensed dental hygienist and have been for 13 years. And I wanted one additional service to add to my business. So I looked into a wax class and saw that it was pretty straightforward as far as it was a 5-week class and the return on investment was amazing. So I signed up. I have literally 5 more classes and then I am done. My experience so far has been great. Previous video I stated how it was going. I currently also still work. I'm still a practicing clinician, so 3 days out of the week I'm in class: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I try to see patients. If I'm not seeing patients both days, I'm at least seeing patients one of those 2 days, Thursday or Friday. I'm also still a mom of two toddlers, and also a wife. So life is still happening while I'm figuring my business out and all that good stuff. It's a funny story, and I will make a video actually about it. We of course have competencies that we have to wax. We have to have a certain number of body parts waxed by the end of the course. And the funny video that I will be making is about Brazilians. The first Brazilian that I ever did. I'm so glad I got through it, but it was not easy to say the least. It was quite interesting. So there's a video coming shortly about that. But no, I'm very grateful that I stuck with it. It wasn't easy. Sometimes I did not feel like driving to Northern Virginia on 495 with all this traffic. I just didn't, but I did, because of course, if I start something, I want to see it through to the end. I want to finish it. But my classmates, we've grown within these last 5 weeks to understand each other a little more, learn a little bit about each other and our families or so. But I'm grateful for the opportunity. There were only 7 of us in the class, and it's almost over. Is it bittersweet? A little bit. I'll be more than happy to be done though and to move on with the rest of my life. But that's just life. It's sometimes you stop and you learn, and you have your situations that you might be going through, and then it picks right back up again without a beat, as if nothing happened, as if everything was as before. And the ending of this class will be such. Life will go back to what it was for me before, but I will actually have another skill set that I can add to my business. So I'm grateful, and I think it's great. But nope, I just wanted to make a short little video saying that. And if you are going through something, know that it can't rain forever. The sun is going to shine again, trust me.